All right, guys, welcome back. Got a guest here, Noah. We're here at the creek in Bella Vista, Arkansas, and we're gonna try and do a little tournament. It's a 2-man fishing limit. So the 2 biggest fish wins. No prize today, but we got a scale. And we're just gonna probably have about 2.5 hours to fish before it gets too dark. Let's see what we can do. I'm throwing this little shaky head worm, and Noah's Mr. Secret over here with his Carolina rig. But yeah, let's get to it, guys. Like I never caught him. Not gonna, you can't even lie though, this year's Sedona looks so much better.
Yeah.
There's number 1. Number 1, guys. Doesn't feel terrible. Nice smallmouth, guys. Oh yeah. Yep, he'll weigh. Oh, that's a largemouth. All right, now get the scale out. I got my first largemouth, and he's fat. Look at this one, guys. He's got a gut to him. Hey, no, I need that scale, boy.
That ain't even big enough to weigh.
Boy,
brother.
give me that scale.
Bro, look at it.
It doesn't matter.
Then we're gonna catch some bigger than that.
No, bro.
I promise
No,
you.
come on, bro.
No.
All right, guys, he's a hater. He doesn't want me to weigh this. Look how thick look at that belly, though. You can't even count that's fat.
He's chunky, yeah. He's probably.
All right, guys, let's get a release on him. Oh, yeah, nice one. He's decent. Woo. This is what it's all about here, guys. Creek smallies in the current.
We weighing him?
Yeah, he's about 12 inches. We'll count him. I mean, he's a keeper, so. All right, guys, beautiful smallmouth right here. This is the right species right here. We're gonna weigh this guy. All right, guys, zeroed out. Go ahead, Noah, drop the fish. 0.7. All right, 0.7, guys. That's the first bass for me. Not the right species, not the right size. Beautiful fish, though. It's gonna release. There he goes. Oh, guys, I got one. Oh yeah, there we go. That's keeper. Number 2, guys.
Are we weighing it?
Yeah, I'm gonna get my limit.
All right, just go grab the scale.
Sounds good.
Just please don't drop it in the water.
I won't. Actually, you know what, guys? I'm not gonna weigh this one. I think he's a bit small. Let's get a release on him. Oh, wrong way, buddy. Wrong way, buddy. Wrong way, buddy. Oh no, guys. Come on, buddy. You got this. There we go. He's going upstream like a salmon. Look at that. Cool. Guys, he just picked up my bass in the freaking current. Are you kidding me?
Hey, I'm weighing it.
No, get a release on that boy. Get him downstream. Get him some big, big mamas. Guys, Noah's got a nice one. Oh yeah. That'll weigh.
Okay.
Yeah. Solid smallmouth right there. I'm gonna guess 1 1/4. All right, guys, zeroed out. Let's see the way of the fish. 1.10, guys. All right, good fish. All right, guys, gonna fish something a little different. Same bait, just different technique. Gonna be doing a Texas rig with an off shank hook. Just nice and easy like that. Just like that.
Another one.
Bam. Just like that. Guys, I got one. Came off. Rock bass, guys. Just a little guy. Wrong species, but still fun to catch. Let's get a release. Oh, there he goes. Yeah, I'm in that.
Did you cast right there?
Yeah. Hold on, I gotta get down.
It's super slick.
I'll say right now, if they're having trouble eating a 4-inch Senko, they're not ready yet. There you go, got him. Oh, that's a good one. That's actually a good one, that Noah. That's a good one. That's a... Nah, I'm good. It's a good one, guys. There we go. It's a good one, guys. Got a nice smallmouth. Oh yeah, dude. Yeah. Yeah, it's a freaking football. Yep. Yep. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Get up here. Guys, we got a freaking nice one. Come on, get up there. Yes, sir. Give me that. Freaking 2 1/4 right there, baby. Yep. Ha. Let's go, guys. Freaking nice one right there. Boom. All right, guys, zeroed out. Oh, dang. No, he's bigger than that. .64. All right, 1.64, guys. Beautiful smallmouth. Beautiful. All right, guys, let's get a release on him. Beautiful smallmouth, guys. Got him. Another good one. That's a coal. Oh, guys, this is a good one, guys. This might be bigger than the last one. Yeah, he's bigger than the last one. Yeah, guys, this is a good freaking smallmouth. Holy frick. No, this is actually a big one, dude. Bro, this is a big one. Oh, yeah. All right, guys, let's try and land this fish. It's gonna be tough. That's a freaking good one right there. Yes, sir. Yep, letting that drag work. Shimano Sedona, guys. Get out of there. Get out of there. No, you're not going over there, buddy. All right, guys. Grab him. Not as big as the last one, but he's gonna help.
He's bigger than 0.7.
Yeah.
He's probably like 0.9.
Yeah.
Say.
I give him.
He's one.
Yeah, I'd give a pound.
That's a beautiful fish.
Yeah, I gotta use the pliers on this guy. Hold on. All right, zeroed out. .28. Thank you, Noah, for the scale. All right, guys, beautiful smallmouth bass right here. Let's get him back off. Boom, perfect, he's gone. Guys, Noah's hooked onto a good one. Let's go, Noah, get him in. Dang, this is a good little hole right here.
Never fished right here.
Really?
I don't think he's 1.64. Nah.
No, I mean, he's still a decent smallmouth though.
He's gonna help.
Yeah, he's gonna help. Beautiful fish though. Nice. Awesome. Oh, whoa, whoa. Whoa, big fella. All right, guys, we're weighing Noah's fish. All right, show the camera the zero out. Oh, hold on. All right, zeroed out. Oh, I said 1 pound even, 0.98. It's a good fish. All right. Oh, it's got inside a rock. Oh, dude, this looks good over here. Oh yeah, I got one. Biggin, biggin. Like actual biggin, Noah. Noah, actual biggin. Oh my God. Bro. Actual, oh my God. It's a coal, it's a coal. Noah. I love the creek. I love the creek. I love the creek, I love the creek. Come here, baby. Come here, easy, easy. Oh, he's barely hooked, he's barely hooked. Oh my God, I can't even grab him. Yes, sir.
You think he's gonna help?
Oh, I know he's gonna help. Dude, oh my God, he's fat, Noah. You know what the challenge is gonna be? Getting back over. All these rocks are so slick. Guys, look at this freaking fatty, bruh. Let's go. Come on now. Oh my, here we go, guys. He's making excuses already.
He's making excuses.
He's making excuses. Guys, zeroed out. $1.66, guys. I know.
Attaboy.
Thank you, Noah, for the scale. Appreciate it. Guys, extremely nice smallmouth bass. He's beautiful smallmouth. There he goes. Off and healthy. Guys, I got a freaking giant. Camera wasn't on, but I got it on now. Oh my gosh, that's a guy's one. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh, shoot. All right, guys, I'm gonna land him right here. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come here, come here. Come here. Got him. Oh my gosh. Look at his eye. Guys, I caught a black smallmouth. You see his eye?
Is he gonna help?
Yeah, he's gonna help. And my yum dinger's still on here. Guys, freaking nice one right there. Zeroed out. Oh, 1.48, not gonna help me though.
He's not as chunky as the other ones.
No.
Beautiful fish.
This is like
interesting.
A very cool fish, never caught one. He's on like a little wart on his brain area. But guys, I caught a smallmouth with a half black, half green. All right, guys, let's get a release on this beautiful fish. All right, buddy. There he goes. Oh, right in the murky water. All right, guys, it was a tough at the end. Fortunately for me, I came out on top. Better luck next time, Noah. Better luck next time?
Next time I'm gonna beat him.
That's what he says every time. I had a big bass of 1.66 and the second fish was 1.64, so pretty neck and neck. I could have that wrong in the video. I thought one was 1.68, but I don't know, we'll see. But if I had 164, 166, I had a total of 3.3 pounds for 2 fish. Noah's big fish was 1.1 and he had a 0.98, which came out to 2.2, I think.
2.08.
2.08, that sounds about right. Yeah, it's still, for what it should be, the weather is definitely a lot less warm than it should be. The water's colder, the fish are not as active as they should be. But when it gets hot, it's gonna get way better. Definitely, we're gonna float it soon and do some competition there just for some like maybe baits or something. Might try and do some groups in the future, but yeah, that was the video for today and I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like and subscribe button and stay tuned for the next ones. Peace.